October 2025. What are the messages regarding career and finances for people who are watching this? October 2025. What are all the messages regarding career and finances for the people who are watching this? October 2025. What are the messages for the people who all are watching this? October 2025. What are all the messages regarding career and finances for the people watching this? What are all the messages for career and finances October 2025? Four of Pentacles. So this Four of Pentacles, what it shows you is like you are holding on to something, which actually Four of Pentacles is also like you're being greedy, you're being very insecure, and you're being very possessive, and you're possessing that. You're not letting go of. Only when you let go of this, something will new will enter into your life, isn't it? So you are longing something new has to enter into your life, but still you are holding on to the old one so tightly. You're not even ready mentally, you're not ready at all to let go of the old things. So if you want something new, if you want some new career, if you want some new changes in the career, or if you want new promotion, whatever it is, you have to let go of the old thing. No, with the old foundation you can't build a new building. Same way you have to let go of this old pattern or old thing, so that the new pattern arises, or the new whichever is meant for you will come into your energy field. Okay, the next one is King of Pentacles. See, once you let go of all the old thing and you create a space for the new thing, obviously you are getting King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles means he is a person who has all the wealth, comforts, convenience, luxury, everything in his life. So this is a big transformation happening because of your mindset. So let go of the old pattern, become abundant full mindset, and create new things, and allow your energy field to receive the new things, so that might be you can transform into King of Pentacles also. See, next is two of lovers. In this lovers, you see us in relationship reading. We see it as lovers itself. Okay, options, friendship, or partnership. But here in business reading, we see this only as two understanding business partners who could collaborate with each other, who could encourage each other and grow the business, and so that your career flourishes, and you both join hands together and start your own career, and you develop the career, and the career becomes so popular, you earn so very well, your financial flow comes into your career, and your bank balance increases, you get financial stability, financial abundance. All this is when two people who are in the same vibration, same frequency, same understanding level can create wonderful things. This is Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is stand for your truth, stand for your see, some people, if even if they don't know, they'll pretend as if they'll know, but actually when they get down to work now, they'll be like blank, they'll not know what to do. So don't do all such nonsense things. If you know something, if you can do something, if you like how to tell, truthfully, whatever you know, you work for that, you will reap the rewards. Okay, truthfully, whatever passion you have, you work for that passion. Be honest and truthful while you work, put your whole soul and heart, and give your 100%. Definitely God will validate you, and you'll reap the rewards for that. Instead of that, if you're keeping on trying to do something else, you will never achieve anything, and career wise you will never become stronger. Okay, So whatever you know, truthfully, and this is what I'm talented of, you know that now, so do that. And sit one day, spend with you one day, and write, keep on writing what all things you know, and among these things, what is my passion? And that passion is going to be your life purpose. Find your life purpose, find your passion, and start that as career. You will flourish in your career so well. So be truthful to yourselves. This is what is career reading for 2025.